All right, let's bring in Alina Habba now, legal spokesperson for former President Donald Trump. She is outside the courthouse there in New York City. It's a popular spot today and for the past 16, 17 days. Alina, your thoughts as we do await cross-examination to begin of Michael Cohen.
If it's anything like the cross-examination that I have done myself with this witness, we should be in good shape. Look, the end of day is we haven't heard one thing, not for 17 days, just like Lydia said. And the one thing we're not hearing about up there is very simple. What did President Trump do wrong? Because this is a books and records case about how President Trump, who was in the White House, allegedly committed a crime. How could that have happened? And I am yet to hear that. And I think there's a lot of noise, there's a lot of distraction, but I want to keep the American people on point. The indictment goes to a books and records crime. A book and record crime that was done at Trump Tower by an accountant that booked a legal fee as a legal fee. As President Trump said earlier, he didn't book it as construction, he didn't book it as electrical work. It was a legal fee to Michael Cohen. It's unbelievable what I'm seeing. There's a lot of distractions, a lot of the look at the shiny ball over there, but I assume they're going to rest soon, and I'm looking forward to us being able to put on our case in chief.
I don't know if you know it, Alina, we had Lanny Davis on just a little while ago. He and I were talking off camera, and he said that you were very tough in your cross-examination of Michael Cohen in that other case. I'm not asking you about the witness here, even though I will mention his name. I'm talking about Judge Merchan's potential instructions to the jury. We had an analyst who said that the judge will likely instruct the jury to say, if you believe that anything that Michael Cohen has said on the stand is a lie, you are at liberty to disregard his entire testimony. How do you think that instruction might play with the jury, given what we've been hearing?
I have an issue with limiting instructions. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I think it's really hard to unring bells in there. The issue is we have a jury listening to testimony, whether it be struck or whether an objection is put on the record and it is sustained. I still stand by the fact that some of it should just not come in. We have to be careful. Juries are definitely there listening intently, we hope, and we hope they still listen when we put on our case. But I will tell you that I'm not really sure a limiting instruction can correct some of the wrongs that I've seen.
So, Alina, how would you go at Michael Cohen here?
The way I did. I can't speak about the witness. He's currently under oath, and we're about to start our cross-examination, but we're well prepared, and we'll proceed.
All right, another issue in this case, of course, is the gag order that the president complains about every day. He took it to an appeals court and lost. So what now?
It keep going up. That's the issue. That gag order is completely unconstitutional. I think what makes it more egregious, frankly, is the fact that we have witnesses in this courtroom that have made a point of going out, being on TV, making money, doing those items, but we are not allowed to. President Trump, the leading candidate, is somehow not allowed to. He is the defendant. He is the one innocent until proven guilty. But they have silenced him and gagged him. It is so unconstitutional. Thank God we have levels of the justice system that we can go up. I'm sure we will dispute that.
Alina, I know we're going to let you go. You and Laura, everybody mentioned they want to squeeze in a quick lunch before you head back into the courtroom. But just can you give us some sense, as close as you are with the former president, how he's doing?
He's great. He's doing great. I think the only thing that's really frustrating him at this moment is the fact that he can't speak more, and the fact that he can't speak his truth, which is the truth. And as anybody in that kind of situation, that is frustrating in itself. The rest of it he's used to. They've been doing it since 2016 when he came down the golden escalator.
Alina, great to talk to you. Thank you for taking the time during the lunch break. Really appreciate it.
Thanks, Alina.